Alright you guys, so I'm back with another video, and this time I am showing Luvme Hair's transparent lace wig. So here I am customizing the lace, and as you can see it kind of blends really well already with the mannequin head. And there are a lot of advantages to having a transparent lace. So this is the hair all air dried. It is really pretty, and to be quite honest with you, this is normally how I would wear it. I like easygoing styles, but you know, I will show you guys how well it curls as well. So to get your wig secured, we are going to use an elastic band, and then of course needle and thread to be able to sew the band inside the wig. So you want to measure ear to ear. Please do not judge my braids. And you want to sew your band diagonal to those little marks where I'm showing. And so first I cut the back of the lace. I always cut the front lace after I actually put it on my head. Once you put it on, you definitely want to adjust. And here I'm just showing you guys the parting, and once again with transparent lace you will definitely have a more defined part, especially if you have on a wig cap underneath. And as I've said before, with a transparent lace, you don't have to do any tinting. And as you can see, I'm cutting it and it is already melting in my skin. I'm going to worry about the sides a little bit afterwards, so don't worry. They'll be tucked away. I decided to do like a flip over type of look. I really didn't want a part because I liked how it looked. So I'm just adding just a little baby hair here, and I'm using setting lotion to actually lay them down. I do want to show you guys how well the hair curls, and it is so smooth, and to be quite honest, I kind of liked it. I liked my messy curl look.
You asked for my heart.